Hey, I'm going to do my birthday unboxing. I'm actually all dressed up. We're going to a big family catch up. I'm actually seeing some family members that I haven't seen in probably 10 to 15 years. So it's very exciting and I really want to wear my new shoes. So we ended up going all around Sydney to all of the luxury stores. I tried on so many pairs of shoes. I really wanted the Dior little flats, as you can see here. And then I really wanted the Hermes sandals, but my feet are just too skinny and everything I put on, I've got size 10 feet, but very slim feet. And when you've got a size 10 foot, usually it's more wider. So my feet just go literally straight through the front of the hole. So unfortunately, I tried on so many beautiful shoes, but they just didn't fit me. You can see from the footage from the vlog. So here it is, this is what I ended up deciding. These do fit me, so I had to go with what I had to go with. So here we go. Slide this out. I ended up choosing these. I did look at these a few times that I've been in the city, so I had them on my mind, but I just wanted a classic pair as we don't go out very much anymore and I live on a very small coastal town. You know, you just don't wear heels very much. So this kind of heel is perfect for me and it's a bit casual. I can wear them with jeans and I can wear them with dresses, so that's why I went with this style. So I just love the gold detail and I just love that they're sandals but with a nice comfortable heel, very comfortable to wear, and I can run around after the kids, I can wear them shopping.
The quality is impeccable. The leather is so soft and comfortable. I love that I can dress them up or wear them casually, and I just love that they're black. They could be worn in winter or summer.
So I just thought that these are a classic style that I'll be able to wear summer after summer after summer. And being that I live near the beach, these are the perfect kind of shoes for me to wear. I can wear them with skirts, dresses, shorts, jeans, and they're not too over the top dressy, but they've got that nice little gold detail, which I love. And I think that they can just go with everything. They'll look really nice with jeans as well. So I'm in love with them. I hope you like them. And we're off now to the party, so I'll just show you them on. So this is a Mossman dress, and then I've got all the Louis Vuitton accessories, just for a nice day look for a big family catch-up gathering.
So here they are in their new home. I wore them today and they are so comfortable. I'm actually really happy that I got them in black because I do wear a lot of black clothes. I was a bit worried for hoping, I don't actually think they come in a tan, but I actually only saw them in this color. But I am actually very happy that I do because, as you can see, I didn't really have, I've got the Dior ones, but they're more sort of going out ones as they've got the sparkly Dior on the side there, where these I just needed like a casual pair. So I'm very happy with how they turned out. I just thought I'd show you my very small little collection. So I have the Chanel sandals, they're very comfortable as well. Some Valentinos, Jimmy Choo, Valentino rock studs, the beautiful Dior shoes there, and some Christian Louboutin. Got my bags there, YSL, Louis Vuitton, and my gorgeous Chanel bag, which I saved up forever for. And then I've got my Chanel sneakers. I've got a sort of a light and dark pair of sneakers, so I can wear them with either type of outfit. I love both of them. These ones here are amazing. They've got sort of about a 5 centimeter lift, so they make you nice and tall. And those Chanels are really comfortable. I believe they're sold out now, but I'm really happy I grabbed them when I did. And over here, I've got my luxury belts, some sunglasses, some Gucci thongs there, some sunnies, my YSL sandals, and my Dior visor. That here is a little clutch, but it's actually was a part of the lipsticks that I got for Christmas, if you remember I showed you, but you can definitely use that as a little clutch. And then up here I've got some Valentino boots and some sunglasses. And then this pretty little crystal thing here was actually in my wedding bouquet, so I keep that there. They're actually Swarovski little beads, so it's a very special little piece. But yes, but as you can see, it's quite small, but I absolutely love every single piece, and I've thought out each one. I'm very happy that I've put my hard-earned money into these beautiful accessories, and I absolutely love them. If you'd like to keep watching, I will just put in the vlog part that we did when I actually bought these shoes. If you want to see the full vlog, please watch the previous video to this one and you can see the whole thing. Thanks, guys. Saturday morning and we've just woken up. Room's a bit of a mess now. And we are off going shopping for my birthday present. I'm very excited. We're going to go and check out all the luxury brands because I love them and I just want to get some type of special accessory. I don't buy anything else but accessories in luxury, but as it's my birthday and I've been saving all my hard-earned money, we're going to get something special. So I'll take you along and we can have a look in the shops. I've got my little dress on, but I'll show you out there because it's just too dark in this room. It's raining. Look. Why don't we go, into Maya? There goes the hair.
We work so hard and then...
I know, what's the point? And our restaurant too is outside, so hopefully. Alright, let's go shopping. I've been wanting to try this. Let's see what it smells like. Everything looks so beautiful for the Lunar New Year. I'll have to take you down to Chinatown if we can. But everything's all decorated beautifully. It's the rain. Hopefully the rain stops. There we go. Oh, he's my favorite. Okay. There wasn't very much at unless it's.
Maybe there might be some here. This one.
Yes. So I just want to see what they've got.
I think they might like show off like a
All the summer stuff.
They don't make shoes like to show.
And going to heaven up on the big top floor. Here we are, going to my favorite spot. Here they all are. found their spot. How nice are these shoes? Look at those fancy heels.
That's how you tell.
Alright. We just don't go anywhere anymore to wear stuff like this anymore, do we? He's in Gucci. When is in Gucci? Look how pretty this looks.
You're such a little fella with me.
Do you want kids Gucci?
Yes, of course.
What's that?
It's Sesame Street.
Aww.
It gives me when I was younger. I
Yeah,
used to
yeah.
watch it all the time.
Me too. That was my favourite show.
Yes.
And a Lego kitty.
Meow.
These are my favourite. They're American.
Oh, the guy said that.
It's cute.
He's
Isn't
got
it?
that in on.
I like a hoodie. Oh, these are the shoes. These are the ones. These are the sandals. I really wanted these boots, but they were a size too small and unfortunately sold out in my size. This is the first time I've seen one of these in real life. Wow.
Yeah.
After trying everything on, I think these are the perfect shoes for me. They go with day or night, jeans or dresses. I really like these. I think I'm going to get these for my birthday. These trunks are gorgeous. I would love one of these in my house. So beautiful. Weather, but I got my birthday present from in there. Very happy. I'll have to show you. Unboxing, anyone?
Join our family. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.